Hi. Many people have joined me. Ma'am, I'm joined our passionate Vivites. Ma'am, I'm our. All right. Hi. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. All right. Welcome to my Instagram live. Yam namaru iba ngasi live sida in a point kara share tawgena live sida tarokani. And today I'm going to share a little bit of my experience about consistency. Yamna maru iba point ni consistency se aina थेंगरक जर्नी से almost 4 years की जर्नी से थेंगरक experience to की matang dai kitang share tauge haibadi about consistency. And before that, firstly akoina yum da niyam chumna lebiyo aduga product in da yadaba delivery tawdaba yadaba covid care da delivery tawda yadaba or any hospital delivery tawda yadaba mayam am yauri chatpa matam da niyam chumna chatpiyo highly precautionary steps sing do roina lobiyo naksana bigano yaragadi haibadi distance leiraga product delivery tawbo stobiyo ko and marks hand glove everything I did requirement of sing to niyam chumna puraga hapaga chatpiyo aduga yeah isa ki immune su yaragadi immune system su kan khadan siko and workout su yaragadi at least 30 minutes kumba no mother jogging khara tawbiyo aduna su hena amuk hena ko lairiba situation se ju kana gada male even Arjit sir ki magi transformation su yamna ai quite impressive lockdown manungda yumda lei ne mana exercise tawraga mana body transformation tawgibodo adu su yamna impressive hoy ai su 1 months back thama gi mamang da haksang am nungai rudre not about corona ki dinate adubo symptom do khoi haksang se amna waba nungai taba chaning thaning bese ke impau daba adum symptom ne but next for a few weeks adum phagre haibadi aina immune se yam section na logi ba aduga khoi gi thau tum cha daba aduga khoi gi steam niyom chumna phajan tawgi badagi phagre many people amasu ai kiram gani aina lak matam da kuchen chelaga khangwa simyam yarong gani ko so don't worry mayam kem khan bi gano I'm completely fine, I'm completely immune now. I came to tawdre you know I'm the happiest person that you can hug me came to tawro I'm completely fine and I ngarang na handagi sum aina akhoi gi social media da su yeng matam da yamna khudong chadaba adi hujik leriba situation se da akhoi gi no magi talaga chaba su mem yauri ma khoi gi su mem ma ai thengne aduga akhoi gi nushiraba macha sing thado ka chatkhiba so suguma mayam sing se let's pray for the people mayam plop akhoi gi soda kuramina se and let's pray for the people who are struggling and who are you know experiencing greatest difficulties mayam mama face story basing do yaragadi koi pray tawmina si and I'm really praying for them every day I su nuti khuding ki pray tawi mayam su pray tawiyo isa sa gi dimi to pana su mayam tawramatra na kali choi taw starongani and if you pray you just pray for others also whenever you pray for everyone. Okay, all right, I love you so much guys and I'm praying for every one of you, all of you. And hujik laiba situation sida su akhoi gi we are working many solutions akhoi aina ngamjaba sing ai gi ngamjaba sing aduga akhoi gi team leader sing ngamjaba sing support toba akhoi gi groceries item pi ba aduga any mating pangba yaba mayam am su akhoi na solution mayam am piri haibadi akhoi na ngamjabi level da so anyway makata na akhoi na support toba ngamba akhoi gi health toba yaba ngamba nge sun so tan tawjagani. So once again welcome to my life Instagram live sida and welcome to the most beautiful week number 382 the mayam amuk changbiro and hojik akhoi different kind of bonanza su mayam lairangani and last week many team akhoi particular team mayam makhal mayam ki bonanza mayam su achievement obagi mayam thagalaki so really appreciate all of you, all the leaders and I believe the consistency gi matang da ngasi haiga doise khwaidagi maru point is one of the most important points if you do anything in your life consistency se laita bataragadi tasegna amta success oini thazadin you never succeed if you do anything in your life so without consistency. So I na say any akhoi professional never market kangu or not any business or not any thing have that adu bakta kinatana I would do anything anything you do in life, whether relationship to oigera hadi girlfriend boyfriend ki relationship to oigera or natragana either gym gumbo oigera natragana diet follow to bo oigera so suma mayam se it's in everything you do in life. Consistency is the fundamental core ni. So many people akhoi like journey sida many people fail way se ta in consistency do neba. So aina Sir Achir Ramesh ka ai chip mentor Sir Achir Ramesh ka discuss ta matam da we always used to discuss 3 times a day over the phone oraga so adum numit no mad numit di 2 times like adum worry sane sanab matam sida haidi karam strategy pansige aduga haidi any problem like matam da kamaina overtake tawsige haibagi suguma mayam ama everyday discuss ta way adu discuss ta wo khudingi loram dai sida mana I want adum rewind to point amakak lay haibadi sigi point se consistency se mana hani roji it is very easy to create momentum but it's very difficult to sustain quite a luriba parts the sustaining sustain to honbado asagi momentum si quite a maru neva mana on the height if you cannot sustain this momentum you are completely screwed have chum meva yamna momentum the create over lie to sustaining to honbado the yamna lui ngam dragadi completely screwed have the chum meva. So this is what my chief mentor Sir Achir Ramesh always used to remind me throughout my journey sigi ai journey se da rewind to every day man rewind to have a chamane. And a lot of people they can easily create momentum. Why kedo boy no hara kan da yam line my momentum create to ba because when they join initially harakumatam da yam na excitement level se leba double time had 101% excitement level leba join to ani he khoropagi within tha ama ni du so I'm into network marketing, I'm into professional network marketing, I'm into CC business, I'm into independent distributor business ownership yam excitement level se high big to leba later ni na ngasai momentum macha am create tawrame great tawram matun quite important hoina di adugi momentum macha du fauda sustain uhen badu ne ba quite marudi momentum to sustain uhen base. So sidani the most dangerous part is when lose their momentum due to inconsistency. Consistency do like rabni na momentum do manga ni manga matung da khwaidagi nungai taba phataba ma haragadi your inconsistency will destroy the whole momentum of your organization. Ma kaktana tana organization do gi momentum chu loina manga lanebo aibadi when you switch off monkey see monkey do mayam ne na khangamani monkey see monkey do. When you switch off people will switch off, your team will switch off, your organization will switch off. Quite a maru ni kosi se why particular distributor to inconsistency lady che ki maram che ke there would be millions of region adugi problem laiba ai imana bagi du chatpa mama etc millions of regions mayam laiba ai adugo the important thing is that your income is directly related to how you switch on. Your income is directly related to how you switch on. Kaya mo yam na switch on no have to see them maru neba. When you switch off, people around you will switch off. So you cannot switch off if you want financial freedom. Financial freedom pamata ragadi you cannot switch off, guys. So any problem, suppose team da any problem laibana tragana suppose last week say fazana momentum to laitre hairasi any particular distributor amagi last week definitely momentum akhoi momentum yamna wangna hana laibudagi double time helaga to sumsali adu but any particular kharam distributor team kharam organization kharam gidi khatang nemam basu yai adu name is khwaidagi soiri se tai natebo once amuktang team last week se soiri haragadi kadai dano emergency meeting tawgadab nebo ai handaki week last week say kitang problem lai re si lai re haragadi oh adudi mathang week the meeting tawse mathang week the khanarasi call say no you cannot say like that immediately meeting kawgadaba suppose yadre last week Friday no misida closing no misida khangani charakpam loina kari no have do yadre haragadi immediately month Saturday natragana Sunday immediate meeting kawgadaba not as I handaki okay handa hafta sida meeting am disilasi sin sumaina have to tawbigano mayam if you want momentum sumaina tawgadi yaroi. So I'm saying many people losing their momentum because of their inconsistency. consistency to late tamni na ma khoi momentum mayam ama mang ba mayam ama yawi sida ama chahi ma work tor ma ga chahi ani work tor ma su. So guys, anyway, hojik laiba week hojik chatleba running week say 382 say wake up. You have to wake up and do emergency meeting. Last week takari haidi karma momentum fangige or karai the soigige improvement karai waida lege everything discussed of you emergency meeting ko biyo tomorrow or day after tomorrow sigi manungda sidagi thengda gagadi again mathangi week amuk tagragani. All right guys, see singje I see haige na ai ngasi Instagram live se mayam da share torokani. So all right, I love you guys. Yum da lairiba sing phajana laibiyo aduga mapan to iba sing su yam section na topiyo ai su tok matamda ai su yamna precautionary steps into loksaraga ai whole safety level la chale mayam su safety level la chapiyo. So next mathang Instagram live ta mu thena si mathangi live either Facebook to or so mu thena si. Love you guys, love you guys, love you guys. Stay safe and let's pray for everyone. All right guys, bye bye.